oil filter's right here. You don't over tighten it, just take it off by hand. Just loosen it and let the oil run out while I'm draining the oil down below. Alright, here's your oil drain. Nice thing about Subarus, you don't even have to lift them to knock out an oil change. Crack it loose. There you go. Make sure not to lose the little washer. That's important. And take the oil. There you go. Snug it nice and snug. Wipe all the oil off. You can take your oil tub out. Alright, then you can finish taking your oil filter off. Wipe that out real good. Alright. You take your new oil filter. A little bit of oil out of the thing. That plastic off of there, and just a little bit of oil on that seal. You don't need a lot. Just a little bit of oil on that seal till it touches, and then 3/4 of a turn. Right there. That's it. 3/4 of a turn. Here's a little trick. If you don't have a funnel handy and you don't want to make a mess, take a bread knife, find an old quart container, just cut the top off. Stick that down in there. Then you got a nice wide mouth. Pour your oil down in there. I always save out like a 1/2 quart or something. Just a little bit down the bottom. This motor's probably going to take most of it, but got like 1/2 quart down at the bottom I'm saving. We're going to start it up, check the level. That's tight. Put the lid on. Just start it for a second there. Let it run, get the oil all circulated. Then you take your stick out. It's still a quart low. I can tell because it's right at the right at that bottom mark. And I got a 1/2 quart. So I'm gonna stick this 1/2 quart in there, and then I'm gonna go get some more oil. Get all the rest of that stuff in there. All right. And double check this. We're getting close. All right, you can see it's still about a third of a quart low. I'm gonna top it off with some oil I just had laying around. That should do it. One last check. Yep, right to that top mark. That's where you want it. That's perfect. All right. Put the oil cap back on and tighten her up. This is a chance to check your belt out. See if there's any cracks. Fill up washer fluid. Check the coolant level. Everything looks good. I always try to reserve my oil into my jugs. Spilled a little out, I know. Alright, it's not going to fit at all. Don't overfill your jug horribly. Still needs more. Alright, it's going to take it all. Oh, that's smart. Thanks for watching. Doing Stuff with Dylan. Like, comment, and subscribe.